Okay, hi, it's Keto Granny, and I'm just doing a quick video because it's been, I don't want to say it's been hectic or anything, but I haven't had time to make a video. I have just been going a whole lot, so much to do. But I'm making some changes that I'm going to be incorporating for the month of June. Um, For the month of June, I'm going to go back on my fasting schedule, and I will be fasting until around 12 or 1 o'clock every day. And then I will be having my meal. For my meal, which is going to be always at lunchtime, it's always going to be between 1 and 2 o'clock. I'm going to have, I have my menu. I'm going to have, like on Monday, I'm going to have 2 eggs, 2 slices of bacon. For dinner, I'll have a hamburger patty with a slice of cheese, some shredded lettuce or a lettuce wrap with a tomato and onion and maybe 2 slices of bacon. For the next day, fasting until 1 o'clock p.m. Then I'll have a 2-egg omelet with mushrooms and spinach. For dinner, I'll have a chicken thigh, 3 to 5 ounce chicken thigh with some asparagus, or green beans or vegetable of choice with some warm lemon water. Tuesday for lunch, I'd say it's going to be the same thing. I'm going to be fasting until 1 o'clock p.m. Then for lunch, I'm going to have some keto pancakes with some sugar-free syrup and some bacon, about 2 pieces of bacon. And then for my dinner, I'm going to have a keto taco salad. Wednesday, fasting until 1 o'clock p.m. For lunch, I'm going to have a huge garden salad. This is just salad of choice with some keto vinaigrette. And that means I'm going to have something like olive oil mixed with some apple cider vinegar and some seasonings put in, something to that effect. For lunch on Wednesday. And then for my dinner, I'll still be eating like something that I had early in the week. So I'll be having like a keto burger with the lettuce wrap, 2 slices of bacon, an ounce of cheese, and some mustard. So I'm going to have a mustard burger on that day. Thursday, I will be fasting until 1 o'clock p.m. or thereabouts. Sometimes if I have to change my fasting schedule, I will, but I will keep it for the same amount of hours. For Thursday, I will be having 2 eggs and 2 sausage patties. And usually I just eat Jimmy Dean sausage or something to that effect. Or if I find some really, really good sausage that I have bought in the store, then I'll have that. For dinner, I'm going to have some herb roasted chicken thigh or chicken breast with some green beans, something really, really simple for my dinner. Friday, I will be fasting until 1 o'clock p.m. And for my breakfast on Friday, I'll be having a keto burrito, and those are so easy to make. I hope that you have seen my video on making those keto burritos, but they're so easy to make and very, very filling and satisfying. For dinner, I'm going to have tuna salad on a lettuce leaf, or tuna salad on celery sticks, or tuna salad on keto bread. I have choices. You have choices also. Saturday, fasting until 1 o'clock p.m. Now, the weekend is when we usually have the most trouble, or we struggle a lot with staying on our fast or staying focused. So these are the times that you really want to concentrate to staying on point. But Saturday, I'll be fasting until 1 o'clock p.m. And for my lunch, I'm going to have, more than likely, I'm going to have a keto burrito or 3 hard-boiled eggs and 2 to 3 slices of bacon. For my dinner, I'm going to have a ribeye steak, and which would be 3 to 6 ounces, and some steamed broccoli. So I'm keeping my meals really, really simple. As you can see, I'm not overeating. I'm not stuffing myself with a lot of vegetables and carbs. I want to make sure that I'm cutting down on carbs. And as you notice, I cut out a lot of my cauliflower because I love cauliflower rice. But cauliflower is high in carbs if you just want to count your carbohydrates. Broccoli is very low in carbohydrates. So this week I have switched out broccoli. I switched out cauliflower and replaced it with broccoli for this week so that I can have a lower carb intake automatically with the vegetables that I'm eating. Also, I'm going to be more aware of the meats that I'm eating. I want to make sure that I have meats that have good fats in them. This is where I want to get the little bit of fat that I do add into my diet. Most of it is going to come from the meats that I eat. That's what you want to concentrate on, getting your fats from the meats that you eat. And you want to make sure that you hit your protein every day. Aim to hit your protein every day, which is around 20% of your diet. 20% of your diet is what you want to keep your protein at. If you go over by just a little bit, say 23, 25%, that's okay. But you don't want to go too much over your protein because it will turn into glucose. Carbohydrate intake, don't worry about that. You don't have to eat to reach your carbs. This is just a guide for you to stay under this certain amount of carbs. And remember, it's best to count your total carbs instead of your net carbs. Net carbs give you more food to eat. If you want to lose weight, if you're having trouble and you're on a plateau, you want to see that scale get to moving again, then stick to 20 gram total carbs and you will have better luck with that. And be sure to replenish your electrolytes. Be sure to replenish your electrolytes. It's okay to add in a little bit of salt to your diet, but you do not want to add in a lot of salt to your diet, especially if you have high blood pressure or some medical conditions going on and you are sodium restricted. But these are some of the things that I will be doing this month as far as my meal planning and how I'm going to incorporate my intermittent fasting for this month. I had some good results for last month, and it's mainly with my inches last month for the month of May. But all progress is good progress. Remember that all progress is good progress. I had a challenge last month, and that was to walk 100 miles for the month of May. Be sure and watch that video so you know if I did it or not, okay? But this is Keto Granny saying, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Bye. So I'm headed to go and work out, and I'll see you when I get back.